There she is in all of her glory. Just forgot to check the water level in the battery. 18 horsepower, 2-cylinder, diesel powered. Just put these tires on it in 07. All four brand new. Put the new seat on it in 07. Replaced the broken light. Went through this thing top to bottom, front to back. Got it reconditioned. And my yard got out of control. And I used it once. And then it's been parked ever since. Got a 48-inch brush hog. Works well. Took the blade off of that and softened it at 07 too. The history on this tractor is that I bought it not long after I bought the house. And I was using it initially to mow back here. Mow back where the, way back out there, past the fence line, all the way to the back of the property I used to mow. And I also tried to run around with it up front. Put that battery in 07. Put these cables in an 07. Good running tractor. I don't know why it was stuffy this morning. As the compression releases, seems to be sticking. This here's the linkage for that. I guess I'm going to have to oil something up. It's stuck. I can mow my entire property twice on 1 tank of diesel fuel. That ain't bad. But the story is, I bought this place and moved into it in 2001. This place was a disaster area. One of these days I'll put a montage together for what this place looked like when I bought it and the various stages of remodeling it's been through. I mowed all of 01, all of 02, pulled it out in 2003, and one of the back tires were flat, and as fast as you could pump air in it, it came out the sidewall. A piece of the sidewall was say, the weather crack. They'd become weather cracked and they wouldn't hold air anymore. On top of that, the seat rested through. And a whole bunch of other stuff just all kind of went bad on it all at the exact same time. So I did one of my famous, well, to hell with it, I will leave it sit right here for now and I'll get around to fixing it here when I get some more time. Well, that precluded 4 years of sitting out in the weather doing nothing. Finally, yard got out of control one really bad rainy year we had in 07. So my push mowers and whatnot, because a friend of mine garbage took the push mower that I was using out here. It was going to be a hopeless case in trying to do anything near what this place needed. So I finally got up off my lazy butt and I finally fixed this thing up. Did all the filters and the fluids, pulled the radiator, cleaned it out, flushed the block the whole 9 yards, put it all back together. Pulled the throttle back a little bit to crank it up after putting all the new battery and everything in, and it fired on the first compression stroke on diesel fuel that, well, has been in there since, I want to say 2003, now that I'm thinking more about it. So, there you go, 6-year-old diesel fuel. I'm surprised it's still good and still runs. It's a cool little toy. Isn't it, Bear? You good boy? Huh? What you think? Hmm? You think that big noisy thing, huh? Yeah. Good boy. Just a little trolley around the yard. Hello, dog. And we've got a problem with one of my other dogs. I have to go see what's going on. So I have to